Hello friends, welcome back to the one new video guys at my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to record guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title is guys mono audio setting guys. How can we on? Friends, you want to on guys, you want to use guys your Samsung phone guys phone mono audio settings. So how to on it today friends, I will show you, I will tell you. So friends, first of all open your phone setting guys. So guys we will on phone setting guys, open guys phone search bar, and guys we will search here guys Samsung phone guys phone mono audio guys. We will search a phone mono audio setting guys, and friends search your mono audio, and guys tap here mono audio setting. Friends, you can see mono audio. Friends, you want to on guys, you can see play the same sound out of both speakers. So friends, you can on, and friends, you can see left right sound balance guys. You can adjust from here guys your Samsung phone mono audio setting guys, you can use from here. And friends, you don't want to use guys, you want to off guys your Samsung phone mono audio, so you can off from here also. So like the guys we can on and off guys Samsung phone mono audio setting. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching.